All right, what's going on, everybody? We're down here at the Nashville Superspeedway for the Rain Fest 200 tonight at the Nashville Superspeedway truck race. It's actually the Allegiance 200. I had a buddy of mine give me 2 tickets to the truck race tonight. Big shout out to them. And got Catfish Terry with me. We're just sitting in the car right now because it is raining. There's the super speedway ahead, but hopefully the rain, we got a little window coming up in what, about an hour?
So it says, but an hour ago it said at 6 o'clock sunshine, so they changed it on us. So who says they can't change it again?
It's 6 o'clock right now. 7 o'clock is a race. They got haulers up there. So I'd like to be able to visit, but we'll see what this weather does for us, what time we get in there. I'm sure it's gonna be a little delayed. It's raining right now, so they gotta dry the tracks in a little bit. But
yeah, I just hope we was getting to see the haulers and everything, but souvenir trucks.
We got our ponchos, a yellow one and a red one.
I don't need to see it that bad.
We're gonna see who's gonna be the ketchup and who's gonna be the mustard today.
I'll be the ketchup.
I'll be the mustard. All right, stay tuned. All right, we're on the move, Catfish. So the radar still looks a little rough, but we're making our way on up to the track, go inside, and if it rains, at least we'll be in the shelter. But pretty exciting. Love my NASCAR truck race. We ain't went to a truck race since early 2000s, mid 2000s. Been a good while. So hopefully maybe old Ross Chastain can pull it off tonight, or Raja Kruth, if I pronounce that right. But get inside and get the little sights and sounds.
Who else was it running tonight?
I think Jesse Love and Cletus is tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow's Cletus.
Yeah.
I was growing up, things right down. Said the Lord mine's high as it used to.
I got Chevy, got Trackhouse, some Chastain, cream of the crop. Man, I should get me a Junior Motorsports trailer. Selling some side pieces of the old car.
That's a game jersey right
So, 25.
I'm sure they don't normally write.
Kyle Larson. Got Chase Elliott up here. Ram. There's a NASCAR Vintage. Old school stuff there. 2311, Tyler Reddick, Bubba Wallace, Denny Hamlin, Chase Briscoe, Joe Gibbs. Fire and Legacy Motor Club, Osava. Got some Cletus McFarland merch over here. Look at this Plain Jane trailer. That's awesome. I love it. It's like the McFarland Racing. And RCR trailer. Really? We made it inside without a hitch. There we go. All right, made it in. Made it in. Rain slacked off for right now. So far, so good. Do you want to get a Coke or anything before we go up?
It's up to you.
Use the restroom?
Definitely the restroom.
Definitely the restroom. And this is where I'll cut off the video and pick it back up right after. All right, we're up here in the stands, and it's starting to rain a little bit harder and harder.
Right when the national anthem.
Yeah, they just finished the prayer and the national anthem, and hoping to go green, but I don't see it's going green right now. Started out like a little drizzle, and now it's getting a little bit harder and harder. I do got my ponchos, but I ain't gonna wear it just yet. I may get pretty close, but radar looks pretty. What the radar looks like?
We're right about there.
Yeah.
And
There it is.
let's see,
Well,
let's
see,
put it-
we're right there. So we're getting this big pop. We're about to get hit pretty good. But after it,
it's a lot of open space after it, but it could get a little wet out there.
we're getting wet, but we're about to get soaked.
We're about to go under the floor.
Under the bleachers. All right, 7:46, and it's still a rain delay. The clouds are looking a little bit better in behind us back here, so we'll see. Looking on the phone, it shows rain all the way out to like midnight, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. But hopefully these little clouds breaking up in the back can get us a little bit of racing in, but we will see. Still fun, sit back, relaxing. He's just piddling on his phone, Mr. Phone over there. I'm editing videos just for y'all. Oh boy. All right, it's 8:23 p.m. An hour and 23 minutes into the rain delay. I don't know, I haven't seen any more updates about the Nashville Superspeedway, but hopefully we can get this thing going pretty shortly. I don't know if it's still raining or not, but I know it takes a little while for the track to start drying, so hopefully we can get this thing going sooner than later. Another check-in, 9:32, but the covers are off the truck, and the track's looking pretty good out there. But I want to go down here and take a look at a little coffee truck over here. May get me a coffee, but like I say, we may start racing about 10 o'clock when the race started at 7, so that's a 3-hour delay as of right now, but hey, it is what it is, right? The trucks are on the track. Jet dryers us a little bit, but the track's looking pretty dang good. Looks like they're pulling a lot of the jet dryers off on pit road, but looks like we're going to be going racing here Mine was 2 hours and 45 minutes. Yeah, 9:48. This race should be over by now. Nothing good except sleep. But who needs that? And I'm starving. I'm hungry too. Might be a Whataburger night. 24 hours. Well, it is 12:18 and Lane Riggs dominated tonight, and he got back in the pack after second stage, and Caruth and Chastain was putting on a pretty good little show there, but at the end Lane Riggs chased him down, passed him right on the last lap, going into the last lap, and took the victory. But man, it is 12:20 now, and I'm ready to go home and eat, sleep, and do it all over again for the O'Reilly Series race. Pops, what do you think?
One of the worst.
Snooze.
One of the worst truck races I've ever seen.
Very drawn out. Lane Riggs won every stage and the race. It's just, if it wasn't for the stages, it would have been awful, even worse. But
He would
guys,
have left the whole field.
he would have left the field. But guys, I appreciate you guys watching the video, and I will see you on the next one. Peace. And go check out Catfish Terry while you're at it, if you made it this far.
Yeah. Come over and check me out. I need it.
All right, let's go get some food. 12:20 a.m.